Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a loop, doing something you know isn't helping you, but you just can't seem to stop? You tell yourself, this is the last time, but somehow, it keeps pulling you back in. Let's get honest, because today we're not hiding, we're healing. For many people, that hidden struggle is porn. And no, you're not weak. You're human. But if you're tired of feeling drained, guilty, or ashamed, this is your moment. Not to judge, not to shame, but to take back control. Porn addiction is real. It's not just a bad habit. It's something that can hijack your brain, steal your time, crush your confidence, and numb your emotions. You might have noticed, your motivation is lower. Your relationships feel more distant. You feel disconnected from yourself. That's not a coincidence. That's the cost of something that promises pleasure, but leaves you feeling empty. And if no one's ever said it to you before, let me be the first. You're not broken. You're just caught in a cycle, but cycles can be broken. Let's talk science for a second. Porn floods your brain with dopamine, the feel-good chemical. But here's the catch. The more you watch, the more your brain craves it. Not because it actually helps you feel better, but because it's trained you to escape discomfort instead of dealing with it. Stress? Escape? Bored? Escape? Lonely? Escape? But guess what? What once felt like a choice, now feels like a chain. Here's your way out, step by step. This isn't about perfection, it's about progress. So let's get practical. Step 1. Acknowledge the pattern. Say it out loud, or write it down. This is something I want to change. Owning it gives you power. Denying it gives it control. Step 2. Identify your triggers. When are you most tempted? Late at night, when you're alone, after a stressful day. Knowing the when helps you prevent the why from taking over. Step 3. Replace, don't just remove. If you try to quit without filling that void, you're setting yourself up to relapse. So ask yourself, what can I do instead? Hit the gym, journal, play guitar, go for a walk. Find activities that feed your soul, not just distract your mind. Step 4. Take one day at a time. Don't think about quitting forever. Just win today, then do it again tomorrow. Stack your wins, day by day. Step 5. Create accountability. Tell someone, or track your progress. Join a group, or just message a friend when the urge hits. You don't need 100 people cheering you on. You just need one to remind you why you started. Let's be real. You might fall off track. That doesn't mean you failed. It means you're human. What matters is what you do next. Get back up. Every time you do, you build resilience. And one day, you won't just resist the urge. You won't even need it anymore. Imagine this. You wake up with more energy. Your mind feels sharper. You start showing up more fully in your life, your goals, your relationships. That's not just a fantasy. That's what happens when you reclaim your time, your focus, and your power. This journey isn't easy, but it's worth it, and you don't have to walk it alone. If this message hit home, don't just scroll past. Take one small step today. And if you want more real talk like this, hit that subscribe button. Because this isn't just about quitting porn. It's about becoming the version of you that you were meant to be. You've got this.